In this video, I'll show you how to download Adobe Animate for free on your PC or Mac. It's fast, simple, and completely safe when done through Adobe's official website. Start by heading to the description box below this video and clicking the link provided. This will take you directly to Adobe's official Animate page, ensuring you're downloading the software from a trusted source. Once you're on the page, find the Start Free Trial button and click it. You'll then be prompted to choose a plan. Adobe offers several plans. For this tutorial, we'll select the business plan, which gives you a 14-day free trial of Adobe Animate. You can also choose to try Adobe Stock for 7 days, which includes 10 premium assets you can download and keep. After making your selections, click Continue to proceed. Next, you'll need to enter your email address and provide some basic personal and payment details. You won't be charged as long as you cancel before the 14-day trial period ends. Once your details are entered, click Agree and Subscribe. You'll then be asked to create a secure password for your new Adobe account. After your account is set up, Adobe will prompt you to download the Creative Cloud desktop app. Install it on your computer, then log in using the email and password you just created. Inside the Creative Cloud app, go to the Apps tab, search for Animate, and click Install. The download will start automatically, and once it's complete, Adobe Animate will be ready to use. Thanks for watching.